everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. We are doing exercise 4.3 of class 7 mathematics NCERT. So question number 1 we have already started in the earlier video. So the question number 1, A, B, C, D and E part I have already solved in the previous video. Now in this video I will solve the remaining part of the question number 1. So let us begin with the x1. 5 upon 2x equal to minus 5. So solve the following equation. This is the equation given and we have to solve the following equation. And in the previous video of the question number 1 of the previous part, I have solved all the question by transposing the terms, by transferring the terms. So this question also I will solve by transferring the terms. So in the first one, 5 upon 2x equal to minus 5 is given. First of all, we have to identify the variable. What is the variable in this equation? So here the variable is x, as we know that the variable is x, and we have to find the value of this variable. So to find given with the variable is 5 upon 2. Only one term is given, 5 upon 2. So we have to remove this term. So to remove this term, what we have to do, we will transfer this term in the RHS side. We will transfer this 5 upon 2 in the RHS side. Let us start. X equal to minus 5, then we have to transfer this 5 upon 2 in the RHS side because we have to remove this term. So to remove this term we have to transfer this term. So when this term will be transferred, अब हम इसको यहाँ पे लेके आएंगे. So what we have to do, what we can do, we can write it as 2 upon 5, 5 upon 2 is given. We can write or we can remove first we will remove this 2, then 5. So first let us remove this 2 only. हम इसको 5 को ऐसे ही लिख देते हैं as it is. First we will remove this 2. So this 2 is given in the division form. This 2 is given upon means it is given in the division form. When it is transferred, it will be multiplied. Because here it is given in the division form. So when it is transferred, by transferring the 2, it will be multiplied. So 5x equal to, it will become 10. 5 2s are 10 minus 10. Now we have to remove this 5 with the variable x. To remove this 5, what we will do? We will transfer this 5 in the RHS side. Now it is given in the multiplication form. No sign is given, means it is a multiplication is given 5 into x. So when this 5 will be transferred, it will be divided. Minus 10 upon 5. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई दिया था, जब हम इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा. Now cancel 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, x equal to minus 2. So x equal to minus 2 is the answer for the F1. Now come to the G1. Next one, 5 upon 2 x equal to 25 upon 4 is given. Here variable is x and we have to remove this 5 upon 2. So to remove the 5 upon 2, what we can do? We will write x equal to 25 upon 4 is already given and we have to remove this 5 upon 2. So to remove this, we will transfer this term in the RHS side. When this term will be transferred, जब हम इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे, अभी हमने यहाँ पे अलग अलग ट्रांसफर किया था. पहले 2 रिमूव किया था, फिर 5 रिमूव किया. अब हम इसको एक साथ रिमूव करके देखते हैं. यहाँ पे 5 upon 2 is given, so we can write it as 2 upon 5. अगर जब ये ट्रांसफर होगा तो ये अपोजिट हो जाएगा. ये 2 it is given in the division, so it will be multiplied. And 5 is given in the multiplication, so it will be divided. Or we can just say that 5 upon 2 is given, so it can be written as 2 upon 5. Now solve it. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 5 upon 2. Answer is 5 upon 2. X equal to 5 upon 2 is the answer. Now come to the H1. 6z plus 10 equal to minus 2. अब आपको इतना पता हो जाना चाहिए कि इसमें वेरिएबल क्या है. वेरिएबल इज z and what we have to do? Yes, we have to remove the terms which is given with the variable. So with the variable z, number is given 6 and the other term is plus 10. We have to remove this 6 and we have to remove this plus 10. So first of all, we will remove this plus 10. So to remove this 10, what we will do? We will transfer this term in that side. So when this term will be transferred, it is given plus 10. When this term will be transferred in the LHS side, what will happen? It will become minus 10 because here plus 10 is given. So when this term will be transferred, it will be minus 10. It will become minus 10. So 6z equal to minus 2 is given and this term we have to remove plus 10. So it will be transferred and it will be minus 10. Now 6z is equal to minus minus plus. So 10 plus 2, 12. And the greater number has the minus sign, so it will be minus 12. Okay. Now we have to remove this 6. Again, to remove the 6, we have to transfer this term. So this will become z equal to minus 12, and it is in the multiplication, so it will be divided. Z equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, minus 2. Z equal to minus 2 is the answer. This was the E1 and this was the F1, was the H1. Hope you understood these 3 questions. Now moving to our next question. Now the next one, that is the I1, 3L upon 2 equal to 2 upon 3 is given. This is the equation given, and here variable is L. We have to remove the number 3 and 2. So we have to remove this 3 and 2. So what we will do, we will transfer this term. Why we are transferring this term? Because we have to remove this 3 upon 2. 2 upon 3 is already given, and अगर हम इसको एक साथ remove करेंगे 3 upon 2, what will it become? It will become 2 upon 3. Okay, एक साथ हम इसको remove करें. 3 upon 2 is given, so it will be written as 3 upon 2 is given, so it will be written as 2 upon 3. Now L, if it is cancelling here, you can cancel it. Otherwise, simply multiply it. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. L equal to 4 upon 9 is the answer. Now moving to the next one, that is the J1, 2b upon 3 minus 5 equal to 3 is the equation given, and here variable is b. We have to remove this 2 upon 3 with the variable b, and also we have to remove this minus 5. So what, first we will remove this minus 5. So what we will do to remove this minus 5? Correct. We will transfer this term in the LHS side. What we will do to remove this term? We will transfer this term in the right hand side, RHS side. Okay. This is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. Now 2b upon 3, first we have to remove minus 5. So the minus 5 will become plus 5. ये वहाँ transfer किया है, minus 5 was given, so it will become plus 5. Now 2b upon 3 equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Now what we have to remove? We have to remove this 2 and we have to remove this 3. We have to remove 2 upon 3. So how we can remove it? 8 is given. जब ये नंबर यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर होगा 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2. ये जो 2 upon 3 है, अगर हम इसको वहाँ ट्रांसफर करेंगे it will be written as 3 upon 2. Now cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. B equal to 4 3s are 12. B equal to 12 is the answer for the J1. Here we complete the question number 1, all the parts. So in the next video we will continue with the question number 2 of exercise 4.3. Till then, take care. Bye bye.